If you're looking for an easy throw it on and go wig for the summer, then you're definitely going to love this new wig from Luvme Hair. It comes packaged with a few goodies, a mesh storage bag, and a label card to store your wig, a custom beauty sponge, a set of Velcro strips to help make your wig more secure, a custom hair clip, a set of HD wig caps, and a Luvme Hair user guide and info card. Now, this wig is a part of Luvme Hair's new all-day comfort wig line. I've already showcased several of the new wig designs over on my channel. If you're interested in any of those videos, I'll have them pinned up top and linked down below. The all-day comfort caps from Luvme Hair are their newest glueless wigs. They come with an amazing new design to make your wig super comfortable. You get a 7x6 HD lace closure that comes everything that's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, and pre-cut. There's a C-shaped ear tab for the perfect fit around your ear and to make it more comfortable when wearing glasses. There are 3 smart clips in the back of the wig to help you adjust the wig to whatever your head size is, so small, medium, or large. This wig will fit all head sizes. There is a removable comb in the back. There's also a removable adjusting elastic band with the silicone grip for extra security, and a zero gravity snug fit cap. Now, like I said, there are other styles from Luvme Hair with this same cap construction. There's the body wave, there's the silky straight, there's the yaki straight, there's even a blunt cut bob. And now Luvme Hair has added this really nice messy curly texture. And the curls on this unit are really, really nice. I would consider this, if you were hair typing hair, a mix between a 4A and maybe a 3C. It's not a super tight curl pattern, but it's also not really loose as well. It's right in the middle. I did not have to tint the lace on this unit. The lace looks amazing. What I ended up doing instead was adding a little bit of contour powder around the hairline to help it blend in with my skin. This wig requires very little work to install. I was able to install this wig in under 5 minutes, which is amazing. If you're looking for a wig for this summer that you can just throw on and go, that's going to look amazing, be easy to maintain, and give you that summer vacation vibe, this is definitely a good option. I have this wig in the 24-inch. It does come in other length options. You can check out the link below. And although it comes pre-parted in the middle, this is a 7x6 lace closure. So you get a lot of parting space. You can part it anywhere within the closure. You can part it on the left side. You can part it on the right. You can do a C-shaped part. The lace pretty much goes temple to temple, so you have a lot of space to work with. And the curls are very easy to maintain. They're very easy to detangle. If you get this wig and it starts to look frizzy or the curls start to look undefined, you can refresh the curls and the hairstyle simply by spraying it with a little bit of water and maybe adding a little bit of mousse or some leave-in conditioner. I've even been able to detangle it just using my fingers. You can also use a dimming brush or a wide tooth comb. This wig requires very little maintenance or styling or any type of prep. But it's also very versatile because if you wanted to, you could straighten it, you could do some loose curls, you could wash it and blow it out. So if you need a wig or a hairstyle for this summer, I'm definitely recommending this one because it's super easy, very versatile, and beginner friendly. And if you decide to purchase this wig or any wig on the Luvme Hair website, make sure you use our special coupon code. I'll leave it right up here on the screen. You can use this code and save 28% off of any of your orders with Luvme Hair. I'll have the direct link for this wig down in the description box below, along with all of the other details. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.